Okay, this is my penny sorting machine, and I'm putting power on it. One of my old battery packs. Oh, I've already got one in there. So basically the way it works is this is a newer penny with mostly zinc in it, and it'll light up the sensor. That's a inductive sensor. And then older pennies you can sort of look at and tell they're sort of brownish. That one's not so much brownish, but this one is. And you can see the difference just looking at them. This one's shiny coppery and this one's brownish, tarnished. Anyway, so here's a copper penny, and it does not light up the sensor. So throw in a couple zinc pennies. Whoops, it didn't light it up. Let me adjust that. And adjust it in until it just lights up right there. And then I'm going to test it on a copper penny and make sure it doesn't light it up. Yeah, it doesn't. So these are all zinc pennies. Lights it up. Zinc. Now try to make it so it would fail, like maybe not light up a zinc penny every once in a while, rather than light up a copper penny and make me think is a zinc. So you can see those are all copper. I mean zinc. And then these are all copper. So these should not light it up. See, it lights it up just a bit, but it doesn't stay on. And I've got this whole table on this thing tilted so the coins lean into the sensor. So those are all validated as copper, as you can see. Whoops, except for that one. Now, Annette tried to tell me that this was a zinc coin, and it's not. It's a 1980. But I found it, you run it through twice. Oops, no. This one is pretty solid. I wonder why. Why just that one? I wonder if that, oh, I bet you this coin is bowed. Yep, that's what it is. The coin is cupped. And that's why it triggers it. So this one here, by weighing it, you'd be able to tell. Let me run through some zinc ones again. Let's see. That's 1980. 1981. Okay, so these are zincs here. They light it up. Light it up. Light it up. I'm sure I can tweak some things on it. And I want to automate it a little bit more too. So those all lit it up properly, saying that they're zinc. So let's go back to this pile here. And I'll probably run into that same one again that false triggered it. So these will not light it up. Whoops, except for that one, right? Let's see if I run it through the other way. Okay, something. Let me see what that is. Oh, that's a 1994. Yeah, so that's zinc. You see the copper ones just trigger it. Well, except that one didn't trigger it. They usually trigger it just, whoops, and let's see if that one's zinc. This one is a 2001, so yep, it's zinc. So it does a pretty good job. Let's see if that one's zinc. This one, oh yeah, you can tell by the back. So that one's zinc. And this last one is 1984, so it is zinc. There's one, this looks like it's copper. Well, let's find out. And it is. So this inductive sensor, I guess the difference in inductance between the copper and the zinc allows this inductive sensor they use in factories and stuff for automation, for counting things, for cam positions, things like that. This here is a modified relay that's just got a little toothpick sticking out of it that blocks the path until it says it's okay to go. That's the part that I want to automate. I'll have some other sensor in there that detects the coin, takes a reading, and then maybe a little lever that says go this way or that way. So that's where it's at now, though. I think it's sort of cool that you can do this without having to weigh the coin.